In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Mailchimp email to just one person in a few straightforward steps. Whether you're reaching out for personal or professional reasons, Mailchimp offers an easy to navigate platform that makes one-on-one communication as simple as crafting a message for a larger audience. Let's dive right in and guide you through each step clearly and thoroughly. First off, you need to log into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to sign up and get your credentials ready. Once you're in, the next thing we're going to do is create a new campaign. This is the foundation of any email you send through Mailchimp, so let's get started on that. Navigate over to the Campaigns tab. Here, click on All Campaigns and then select Create. This button is your gateway to all the different types of campaigns you can develop. For our purpose today, choose Email from the options presented. This selection is tailor-made for crafting an email campaign, and it will guide you step by step in setting up your message. Now it's time to design your email. A great starting point is selecting a template. Mailchimp offers a variety of email templates, from simple, basic layouts to more intricate, pre-designed options that you can pick based on the theme you're going for. This flexibility helps ensure your email looks polished and professional right from the start. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to customize the content. Use Mailchimp's intuitive drag and drop editor to tailor your email exactly how you want it. You can add text, images, buttons, and even social media links. Furthermore, customize colors, fonts, and other design elements to ensure consistency with your brand. For that extra personal touch, use merge tags like the recipient's first name. This personalization can make a significant difference in how your email is perceived. Before you send it out, always preview your email. Mailchimp provides a preview feature that allows you to see how your email will look on both desktop and mobile devices, ensuring it appears just how you envisioned. Now let's choose your recipients. Under the recipient section, select Add Recipients. If you're sending your email to a single person and they aren't already in your list, click on Add a New Contact. Opt for the copy and paste option and input all necessary information like their name and email address. Finally, once everything is set and looks exactly how you want it, it's time to send. Simply click on Send and your email will be on its way. If you prefer to send it at a later time, Mailchimp allows you to schedule the email, setting the exact date and time you wish for it to be sent. And that's all there is to it. Sending a Mailchimp email to one person is straightforward with these steps. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.